Welcome, here I've got Realme 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, we have to go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the shooter sound option. By using the button from the right, we can turn it off or turn it on, like that, as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. Now we can't hear anything. And of course, when we need the sound, we have to go back to the right corner, tap to this button, and for now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.